Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail. In this video, we'll be sharing our likes, dislikes, and what to avoid by using this 45-liter, 12-gallon brushed stainless steel Simplehuman trash can. Here are some features that you may want to consider. The shell and lid is constructed of stainless steel. Using the motion sensor, the lid opens and closes quietly. Note the speed of the lid opening and closing, and it has no option for it to stay open. Keep sensor clean, avoid high traffic area, place an area from direct sunlight to avoid unintentional opening. Simplehuman provides its own bags, which I found to be stronger than the competitors. Trash bag storage compartment is conveniently in the rear. Along with the battery compartment, I suggest conveniently using rechargeable batteries. Battery life is depending on the use of the trash can. I suggest not overfilling the trash bag to avoid tearing while removing from the trash can. Conveniently, there's a trash bag slot inside that's connected to the trash bag compartment from the rear of the trash can to conveniently access your trash bag. Simplehuman's trash bags fit snug around the edge and also are custom fit to fit the trash can. Also accommodates 30 to 45-liter trash bags. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.